Hello everyone. Today we're going to see some multiplication concept examples so we can understand what multiplying means. Let's see if it makes it easier. Okay, so first let's just read this. Each team has 11 players. A team has 11 players. If there are 5 teams in the competition, how many players do you have in the competition? Okay, so let's take it one step at a time. So each team in a competition has 11 players. So let's see how we can draw that. Let's pretend this. The bench is the team and it has 11 players. Then we had, if there are 5 teams in the competition, how we would draw the 5 teams. So, like we said, the bench represents the team and each team has 11 players. So we have in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teams. This is the container or holder is the team and each one has 11 players inside. Then this is the drawing we had before with the 5 teams and each team 11. So how many players do you have? Well, that's going to be 11 because each team has 11. And then how many times do you have the 11? 5 times. So 11 times 5. Okay, let's see another example. A dolphin jumps 3 times in 1 hour, every hour. How many times does he jump, or she, I said it's here, in 1 day? Again, let's take it one step at a time. So let's take the first part. A dolphin jumps 3 times in 1 hour every hour, but in 1 hour. So we draw it like this. The clock is telling me this is the container, is the 1 hour. And in here we have the 3 jumps. 1, 2, and 3 jumps of the dolphin. So 3 jumps in 1 hour. So here we have the drawing we did before, and we have how many times does he jump in 1 day. First, we need to know how many hours in 1 day. So we know 1 day has 24 hours because, remember, the container is the hour. So for the total, we want to know in hours. So 1 hour, 3 jumps, 1, 2, 3. And 1 day, which is what they ask, is 24 hours. And then what? So they asked how many times does he jump in 1 day, which is in 24 hours. So let's see the drawing for that. Whoa, that's big. But we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 24 hours. And in each hour, we have 1, 2, and 3 jumps. So what's the equation going to be? So let's see the equation. We had 3 jumps in every hour. And how many hours did we have? We had 24, so that means we have 3 jumps 24 times. So the equation is 3 times 24. Okay, we have one more. Let me read it. 1 box of crayons has 12 crayons. If I have 5 boxes, how many crayons do I have? Let's see one step at a time like before. So we have 1 box of crayons has 12 crayons. So let's see what that is. And remember, this is the container, is the box. And the things inside are the 12 crayons. So you always have the container having something in it. 1 box, 12 crayons. So the next thing they say is, if I have 5 boxes, how many crayons do I have? Let's see the drawing for that. We have the 5 boxes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, and each box has 12 crayons. So what's the equation? So we have the drawing like before with the 5 boxes and 12 crayons on each box. So the equation is going to be 12 crayons. How many times? We have 5 boxes, so we have 12 crayons 5 times. So the equation is 12 times 5. That's it, guys. I hope you learned something from this video and remember to keep learning. Bye.